This is an urgent update for the bulls. Before we get started, let's quickly take a look at the trade recap that we took over yesterday. Okay, the trade we took yesterday and the trade recap. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, the Bitcoin price action has been bearish for some times now, even though we are still currently trading in a huge overall range. Right now, this bearish setup that was given about 2 weeks ago now, or over a week ago, has eventually hit take profits. In some of my previous video, there was this setup that I gave, and there was a follow-up on the trade. Right now it has eventually hit the profit target and even beyond. So right now I'm going to take this off my chart before we take a look at the trade setup that was given earlier as of yesterday, and then I'll quickly give you my urgent updates for the Bitcoin price action. Okay. So right now, let's quickly take a look at the trade recap of yesterday. So around early hours of yesterday, I gave this update as Bitcoin was crashing. Entry should be 76,000 and stop loss to be at $75,400 region. And as soon as price got there, the trade was activated. I took the trade, although it was a late entry for me. I was quite busy, but I still took the trade anyway and closed. And I've already taken some profit, about 75% of this profit, and let the rest run. And I also have a trade plan for today. So that's that for that. And now back to the chart. And the reason why I took this trade yesterday, the reason why I was interested at this level yesterday, was because it was the daily naked point of control in confluence with monthly naked point of control, and we have an anchored VWAP, although price hasn't tapped that yet, and just slightly below it we have a daily horizontal support level. That was the reason why I was much interested in this confluence zone, even though the price of Bitcoin is currently bearish. So right now, going back to the chart, according to my last update, my last video, I made mention that all through this region, there has been no weekly engulfing candle, not until the Sunday price action, and I said if price eventually closes if price closes bearishly below the previous week candle, that's a bearish engulfing candle, perhaps this could be the top of this retracement, and we could have Bitcoin moving further down to the downside, perhaps react here for the second time maybe, or take out the low of this range. It all depends on how the price action develops. So right now there are some critical level we have to pay attention to before then. If price continues bearish and gain acceptance back into this bigger volume range, should price gain acceptance back into this bigger volume range, then POC would definitely be inevitable, and perhaps price could go to value area low and then take out this low. In my own opinion, this is not a financial advice, this is just based on my own observation. But if the price is going to be bullish, any hope for the bulls now would be price bouncing on this previous value area high as support, holding that as support, and back above perhaps we can take out this high. But if price dips into the value area low, again, if price should get acceptance back into the value area high and goes all the way to the POC, point of control, and we lose 70k region, that might not be good for the bulls. So right now, in my own opinion, I will currently be more greedy with my shots and treat every long as a scalp trade, because I feel the market direction has changed. Naturally, in trading, time is power. The higher time frame always take precedence over the lower time frame, and if you have a bullish or bearish engulfing candle on 4 hours, you might have like $1,000 to $4,000 price difference. If you have it on daily, you might have up to like about 5 to 10,000 price difference. Now that we're having that on the weekly time frame, the move down could be bigger. This could be the continuation of the bear markets until we get into this region of price taking out this low. Then we might be paying attention to the confluence zones we have below that low. But until then, I still remain neutral to price, and I keep reacting to what price action is doing, and greedy with my shorts actually, and be very, very scalp with my long. So right now, what do we have here? Price could eventually, okay, let me show this region. Yeah, I think we have it here. So right now, this was the trade setup that was given at the early hours of yesterday. So currently, before the New York session kickstarts, we currently have the Asian high around 77,300, and we also have the Asian low around 76,400. So right now, price is currently dancing in between. If I will be interested in any trade, all I have to do is wait for price to either retrace deeper, take out the Asian low and retest this region, perhaps tap the anchor view up and daily horizontal level for a retracement upside, then target this region of price because it's a mini range supply zone to take it back down. That's what I will be expecting price to do. Doesn't have to do that. This is not a financial advice, it's just based on my observation. And or perhaps it could go higher first, trap the bulls, then react from this region and come back down. Could get a little bounce and go for that. But like I said before, I'll be very greedy with my shorts and treat every long as a scalp trade. So right now, if you check for more confluences around here, if you let me go to a time frame higher. Now checking the volume of this entire region to the current price action, you see this mini range supply zone is in confluence with the value area high of the volume profile, and we are currently inside. The price is currently bouncing on the point of control, the highest volume node, and slightly below we have the value area high, where value area low, which price bounced from yesterday. And right now, if you add additional confluence, treating this as the high. If you pick up the anchored VWAP from this high of the range, downtrend anchored VWAP is also in perfect confluence with this value area high, and also pull the fib retracement tool from that high to this current low. You see golden pocket is also lining up perfectly with the value area high, mini range supply, and golden pockets anchored VWAP. So if there will be any short trade I'll be interested in today just before the New York session open, it will be here. I'll be much interested in that short. If price gets there, watch the reaction. If I see any bearish reaction around there, I will take the trade. And also, that's all about the urgent update I have for the bulls. This update is for the bulls. So for the bulls, take note of the bearish engulfing candle that we have on the weekly. I know a lot of people are bullish, but as for me, I take the price action, I take it level by level. So I react to what price is showing me. If I see bullish reaction, I trade it. If I see bearish reaction based on my confluences, I take the trade. So that's what I have for now. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Trade responsibly, and don't forget that this is strictly my style of trading. If you like this style of trading, you can go to the website so that you can get a course and learn how to trade like this. And don't forget to also like and subscribe, comment. You can also share so that when next I'm releasing content like this, you'll be the first to receive them. Bye for now.